Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Fortress, that little portable gas grill, to the Weber Genesis S335. Big price difference, right?
Absolutely. The Nexgrill is around $180, while the Weber is closer to $1,400. That's a huge jump. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Nexgrill is all about portability. It's got easy lift handles and a compact design, perfect for camping or tailgating. It's got 13,500 BTUs across two burners and about 263 square inches of cooking space. Not bad for its size. It also has griddle, which is convenient.
The Weber, on the other hand, is a full-size grill. It's got 3 burners, a side burner, and a Sear Zone. Way more cooking power and versatility. And it has a grill locker for organized storage.
Yeah, the Weber's definitely got more bells and whistles. It even has an extra-large prep and serve table. Seems like it's designed for serious backyard grilling.
Exactly. Think of it as a complete outdoor kitchen setup. The Weber crafted system lets you swap out the grates for different cooking surfaces. Sear, roast, bake, you name it.
That's fancy. The Nexgrill is simpler. Cast iron cooking grids, which are nice for even heat, and a removable grease tray for easy cleanup.
Cleanup is key. Weber also has an improved grease management system. It's got stainless steel build, so it is durable.
What about size? The Nexgrill is smaller, around 27 inches deep. The Weber is much bigger. At 35.5 inches, it will take up space on your patio.
Right, the Weber is for someone who grills a lot and has the space. The Nexgrill is for someone who wants something easy to move around and is also budget-friendly.
It really comes down to what you need. If you're looking for something portable and affordable for occasional grilling, the Nexgrill is a good option.
But if you're a serious griller who wants all the features and has the budget, the Weber Genesis S335 is the way to go. It's an investment, but you're getting a lot of grill for your money.
True. And don't forget, the Weber has a searing station. Who doesn't love a good sear? Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.